Hello Odors, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to automatically calculation and track commission for every staff via POS. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here module Dev POS Sell Commission. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now one module is installable. First go to POS app. Under this configuration menu provided here this commission plan. Now give here name like a standard 5% commission. Select here apply on order total or product category. I want here order total. Select here method percentage or fixed amount. Here I want percentage and add here rate total 5%. Now select here expense account that which used on create vendor bill. Like I want here salary expense and your company name. Let's say you. Now go to configuration menu and under the settings provided here this option sale commission. If you want to apply then first allow this option. And now configure here your created standard 5% commission plan. Let's say now go to dashboard and continue selling from the furniture shop. Now purchase here any product. Like I want here a cabinet with doors. Now add here customer. Do payment by using method cash. Do validate this. And now successfully created your POS. Now go to your created order. Under this order menu provided here this commission and display here your created commission order and auto calculation based on this amount of product. So display here commission total 7. And now reference number generated, display here POS order number, salesperson, commission plan, furniture shop, session number. Also display here date, base amount, commission and company name. Now to confirm this and now create vendor bill and display here product as a furniture shop and commission. Do confirm this and now pay this bill. Now go to your panel and display here in this menu commission and fixed number. Again go to your commission order and display here vendor bill with link. Provided here group by salesperson, point of sale. So display here furniture shop and also provided here commission plan. And if you want to create multiple then select easily here and go to the action menu and provided this option commission vendor bill you can easily create here using this option. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.